Welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can book your appointment with BLS Canada. So guys, BLS in Canada is a third party agency licensed by Indian Embassy or mission, you can say, to accept all sort of applications like police clearance certificate, passport, OCI, visa applications in person, all these things. Even I think now power of attorney to get through them. Depending upon your location, like in other countries, there could be a different agency, different process, and at some locations embassy does it themselves. But here at BLS, I'm going to show you how to do on your mobile device. So on your mobile device, as you see, I've opened BLS International. Just tap on submit your application. Okay, so you see a new page opens where there are 5 tabs, but in order to get in, you need to do login. If you come here for the very first time, you need to tap on sign up. So first put mobile number, email, your country, your passport number, your first name, your current nationality, your mobile code, and then captcha and register. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So what happens is after you complete the registration form, as you can see in this message, it sends a verification code, or you can say a verification link, activation link to the email account that you use. You need to click that and get it activated. Okay, once it is verified, you can log in. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so guys, after you activate the account by clicking on the link in the same email, you get the ID and password that you have to use. So using that, you can log in then once you are done with that, and then you can do the cap. So that the system sends you an appointment booking link on your registered email. You can click on that and then you can select. So you can select, let's say you're going to Brampton, for example. Service type, let's say you're going for attestation service, for example. Application type, let's say individual. Appointment date. So you can see the screen, let's say going on 30th. Type, normal type, let's say. Okay. Now check all the details. Anything, if everything is okay, tap on book now. Again, this is a sample video and I don't want to like reserve a time for no reason, because there are people, I know it's free, but there are people who struggle to get appointment time, and that is why I'm not gonna do this. But my intention was to show you how to do this on your mobile device, which I have achieved. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.